dear students. In this practical video, today we are going to learn about packaging technology and the different types of packaging material. So in food technology, packaging is very important because whenever we develop any product, the shelf life of the product is determined by its packaging material. If the packaging material is good, the shelf life is also enhanced and vice versa. There are different packaging materials and the packaging materials has evolved from centuries. Earlier, when there were no proper packaging material, then ancient packaging materials were mostly wood, leaf, straw, etc. And slowly this packaging material has been developed, and in today's generation, the packaging technology is so advanced that we have technologies like intelligent packaging and active packaging where sensors and barcodes are attached with the packaging to let us know about the condition of the product, whether the product is safe to eat or not. So now let us one by one know about the different packaging materials which are available in the market.
To start with the packaging material, as I have already mentioned that our ancient packaging material were mostly leaves and woods and straws, and slowly after that the packaging material has evolved. And first of all, let us now know about the paper packaging. Paper packaging is one of the most widely used packaging material. Here I have shown few examples of packaging material which are made by our students. So this is a cookie packet made up of paper, and this is a chocolate chip cookie packet. These are all paper packaging material. Now paper is generally used as a primary packaging material. When we see in the market also, most of the biscuit packets we can see that the cover is made up of paper, and again inside we can see another covering which is the primary packaging which is made up of plastic. Paper has one of the greatest advantage of being a lightweight and easily available as well as cheap material, but its biggest drawback is it is moisture permeable. It gets wet very easily when it comes in touch to water. One very important packaging material is Tetra Pak. Tetra Pak is very important because in this packaging material what they do is they make layers of different packaging materials so that the product can be stored for a very long duration of time. For example, we can see that milk, the shelf life of milk is very less. It can be eaten only within 1 or 2 days, but when the milk is pasteurized and Tetra Packed, the milk can be kept in this packaging material for around 3 months. Hence, it is very important packaging material, and now it is widely used for packaging of milk as well as juice, fresh juices. Next, let us know about plastic packaging material. Plastic packaging material is the most widely used packaging material in food packaging. There are different types of plastics which are used, but basically they are divided into 7. That is polypropylene, polystyrene, LDPE, PVC, HDPE and PET. Now, here I have given some examples of few packaging material which are most widely used. These containers are used for household storage also. This is a PET bottle. Generally, most of the cold drinks which we drink comes in PET bottle. This is a packaging of Maggi, and we can see it is LDPE. Plastic packaging material is widely used because of its advantages. It doesn't attract insects, it is not affected by water, and the permeability is very low. Coming to the next packaging material which is widely used is glass packaging. Glass packaging is widely used for various products, especially packaged products which are canned in glass containers. Glass containers has the biggest advantage of not being permeable to air as well as water. So therefore the material can be stored for a longer duration of time. The only disadvantage that a glass container has is its weight. It is heavy in weight, hence can be difficult in transportation. Most of the canned products which are sterilized are stored in glass containers. Moreover, The canned products are also stored in aluminium or tin containers. Hence, this is also one category of packaging material which is very important, that is the metals. Metals are widely used in packaging material. The only disadvantage of metal packaging is they get corroded easily when they come in touch of air or water. So these are the wide range of packaging material we have. Other than this, in today's packaging technology advancement, we have different packaging materials like active packaging material, which have sensors and barcodes from where we can know the status of the product, whether the product is safe to eat or not. Thank you.